Hey, what's up with you guys? This is Irfan here with smartyincubator.com and welcome to another live trading session. I'm recording this video after the live trading session to give you some updates that what kind of trades I took, the profits and the losses and the overall results. So without any further ado, let's get into it right now, and then after that I'm gonna play the live trading session so you can watch the analysis and how I analyze the market before taking my trades on EURUSD, GBPUSD, NAS100. Okay, so this is a trade that I took this morning. You're gonna watch it after this video. That was a really interesting one. So when I woke up, it was right here. It was right here, and we had a bearish engulfing candle, a huge bearish engulfing candle, and then I noticed that we have a very strong support level here as well. So I put my alarm right here, and then it tapped into my alarm. It broke into the support level, and then after that I noticed that we have this support level broken. So I just removed this, but I noticed that we have a subtle high probability order block exactly right here that never got tapped into. So it means that this is a high probability order block, and the price literally tapped into this and then got rejected. So I said, okay, this is the best opportunity. You know what happened? Because we have this support level that got broken into, and then the next candle kind of broke into this resistance level as well, because our previous support level become our resistance level. And so again, this is the best opportunity to get this. The market is going to be really good because we have a bullish trend. We had this order block. We have bullish engulfing candle, 3 momentums. So what I did, I entered my trade right here, put my stop loss here, and my TP. It was right here, a little bit less than 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. And then what happened was, as you can see, it was 9:20. 10 minutes before New York Stock Market Exchange opens, which is disaster, guys. I didn't pay attention to the time, and this is what happened. So if I want to go forward, you see that I immediately got stopped out, and I did something worse. I thought that it's a fake out, and it's gonna reverse after that, and then I widened my stop loss all the way to here. Like, it was crazy, and then the price was just coming down and coming down and coming down, and it was crazy. But I closed my trade here, but still it was a really bad decision, because you should never ever widen your stop loss, guys. Stick to your strategy, whatever have it, especially at 9:30. Exactly at 9:30 we had this huge candle, so I shouldn't have even entered the trade. So and if you actually get into the trade, just put your stop loss as close as possible and get it stopped out. That's totally fine. You can re-enter it in the next position, or you just wait for more opportunities. And then literally after that, we had this bullish engulfing candle, and then it never tapped into this zone, and it just came down, and then I just got off the chart. So this is what happened. So I'm not going to analyze what happened next, but we have this high probability order block that got tapped into. We had a bearish engulfing candle after that, and it literally dropped. So if I wanted to take a 1-to-1 trade, that would be a profit, but I wasn't behind the computer. But this wasn't a profitable one. At the same time, I was in a position for GBPUSD. GBPUSD was a profitable trade, and I want to show you exactly how I took it. So for GBPUSD, I switched my time frame to a 15-minute time frame, and then it was right here. It was right here. Okay, so let me just remove everything, and then what I did was said, okay, we had a very bullish trend. It's definitely bullish. We had a break of a structure. We have a support level here, and then literally after that, the price is kind of doing its correction. Sorry. And then what I did was drawing my Fibonacci from here all the way to here, and said, okay, this is our golden zone between 50 to 60%. I'm going to wait for the price to tap into this zone, and then I wait for more confirmation to take my long position. And then I just waited for that, and what happened was this right here. It literally tapped into the 50% zone, and then I think I entered my trade right here. Let me show you. Oh, sorry. I think I entered my trade somewhere around here, all the way to here. So this is what I wanted to take my profit, and let's see what happened exactly. Yep, it literally came down and yeah, I had my stop loss somewhere around here, and it was respecting 50 and 60% zone, you know, 50 to 60%, which is our golden zone. It's rejecting it, and it's creating a support level right here. So it gave me more confidence that this Fibonacci is working, and it's exactly tapping into the golden zone plus creating a support level. So I took my trade here, but I was off the chart. I just set my stop loss, my TP, and then I went out. It didn't tap into my trade, like my profit. It was kind of far away from it, but I just waited for it until here. See, as you can see, we created a more like support, because we have 1 touch, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches. So it means that this support level is being respected, and it's a strong one. And then I entered another trade right here, all the way to here. Okay, and just waited. I waited for the price, and then literally right after seeing this candle, let me show you which one I saw. Yeah, right after seeing this candle, I moved my stop loss, both of them, all the way to here. So it was a profitable one. And then even this one, I moved the stop loss to break even with a little bit profit. So my stop losses are here, my TPs are exactly right here, and my entries were below that, and just waited for a price to come back, because I didn't want to hold my trade. I just wanted to hit my TP or close my positions in a small profit. I didn't care. I said a small profit is better than break even, or it's gonna reach this level to kind of tap my TP, because we have this liquidity here and this liquidity here that needs to get grabbed. So I just waited for a price, and as you can see, it just tapped into my zone. It stopped me out with profit, and then now it's going up. So I don't know how far it's gone, but this is where it's going right now. It literally stopped out but like all the sellers right here, so the liquidity is already being grabbed, and we're just waiting for this one. So if I wanted to wait more, and my stop loss was a seal somewhere around here, then I would be, in profits way more, probably 500 pounds. But I closed my trade with 200 pounds profit, and I was happy. I said, okay, this is not my trading time right now. It's over. Whatever happens, happens. Better than break even. So 200 pounds, I could have made 500 pounds if I wanted to hold my trade, but this is what happened, guys. So next video is going to be my live breakdown. If you like this video so far, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, so next time when I upload a video, you get notified. So without any further ado, let's get into it right now. Hey, what's up with you guys? This is Irfan here with thesmartyincubator.com, and welcome to another live trading session. This week is crazy because of NFB that is coming on Friday. Today is Wednesday. My time is 6:44 a.m., which is 8:44 Eastern time. So before that, we're gonna take a look at the calendar to see if there's any upcoming news. There are tons of them, guys. There are tons of them, but I just want to see their time exactly. So as you can see, 6:45 right now, 8 a.m. CAT. Crude oil inventories in 30 minutes, not in 30 minutes, sorry, almost 1.5 hours. And then after that we have this CAT news, which is a very important one. Aussie, New Zealand. Yep, so far so good. So guys, I don't know whether I'm gonna trade or not, but I'm going to analyze everything for you. Let's see how it performs. But before I start like with anything, let's go to Goldie Incubator. I want to show you this, guys. I want to show you this. Today's February 2nd. Look at this profits here. Look at this. This is our test account that is performing. It's crushing it during NFP week. During NFP week, it's making over, I don't know, 6%, $561 in profit in total. But if you look at today, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades, almost $80, like in less than 10 hours. That's really good. This is Goldie Incubator. This is what it did a few hours ago. These are the trades that it took, and it's kind of crushing it, guys. If you want to watch the live results, I'm gonna leave a link below in the description. Feel free to check it out, and drop your comment here if you have any question. Okay, so let's go to We're gonna start with EURUSD. It's my favorite one. Oh guys, see, that's why I love Fibonacci. Yeah, I was saying that I love this Fibonacci thing, guys, because look how accurate it is. Because of this, respecting this level, 50%, 60%, which is our golden zone, and now boom, upside. Okay, so anyways, let's go to 1 hour first, because I haven't seen anything. I literally just woke up, you know, turned on the charts, recording this video and talking to you guys. Okay, without seeing anything, I can say that we have a high probability order block from here to here. This is a high probability order block, and the price is just shooting up without any correction. So if I want to use my Fibonacci from here to here, you see our golden zone is here, our order block is here. So I don't know where it's going to go for in order to touch that zone. So, and then we have our trend line here. So there are so many potential entries around here. First, because of this trend line, which I personally don't trade. Second, because of this Fibonacci level, which is our golden zone. Or the third thing would be this high probability order block here. Okay, so let's go to 15 minutes. This is our order block. In 15 minutes, there's no order block, but I can see some consolidation. So it's probably doing some correction right here to kind of tap into these zones, and then we can probably take a trade. Right now, there's nothing, and if he wants to do any kind of correction, it's gonna take long, guys. Like, we're in a 15-minute time frame. It's kind of far from our ideal zones. So even right here we have head and shoulder, so I'm pretty sure, like I assume that it's going to come down to these levels, and we don't have any high probability order blocks anymore. So we have this strong Fibonacci level in 1 hour, and this is strong high probability order block in 1 hour time frame. Let's see. Yeah, we do. No, not this one. Not this one either. No, I can't see anything. But what I can do is, well, I don't want to trend opposite. I want to trade opposite to trend, but I'm gonna put my alarm here, and whenever, you know, the price hits this line, then I probably can take my trade. I don't know. I'm gonna see what kind of setup it's gonna give me. So this is for EURUSD. Let's go to US 100. Okay, NAS100, my favorite one. Look at this beautiful head and shoulder here, guys. Look at this consolidation. One of the shoulders is here, the head is here, consolidation, momentum, bearish engulfing candle, and boom, dropped. It's a beautiful head and shoulder pattern that we just missed, you know. It was at 6 a.m. I kind of woke up late, guys. I woke up late, unfortunately. I slept in. That's why I kind of missed this opportunity, but oh, okay. So let's go to EURUSD. Let's see. Otherwise, I could have taken NAS100. Okay, so it's kind of broke this structure here. We have a break of a structure, so it means the market is trying to change its direction. See, guys, let me just show you with this rectangle right here. So it kind of broke this support level, which is our resistance level right now. Look at this shadow here. So it's good. You gotta be careful if you're trading it. You gotta be super careful. Look at this, guys. The Fibonacci even worked here. Look at this. It tapped into 50%, rejected towards upside, and then shot up. Fibonacci works if you use it properly, and if you know which zones are more accurate. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna have this to this. I don't know where the tip is. The lower it is, the lower I can come down and then wait for Fibonacci level to tap into. But right now, as you can see, there's nothing here that I can do. I'm gonna set my alarm right here. So just in case if he wants to do a little bit of correction and tap into my level, then I can get notified. So NAS100 was a good one. I missed it, unfortunately. You know, if I took it here because of this head and shoulder, it would be, you know, almost an hour ago I slept in and it didn't happen. So we have a very strong support level here, without a doubt. And then what is this level here? Probably high probability order block. But we have liquidity here. We have liquidity here. This gap is already filled in. We have liquidity all over the place right here. We have so many gaps here. So you gotta pay attention, guys. This gap needs to be filled in, and this is high probability order block. So if you want to take a short position, then you can probably take it all the way up to here to fill in all these gaps. Why? Because of this head and shoulder pattern and this bearish engulfing candle that kind of closed below this previous low. Sorry. So this is what I personally assume because of these gaps. Although the trend is uptrend, you know, you should never trade opposite the trend. But I'm just saying that there's a very, very high chance that it's going to happen. We also have our support level right here and our order block here. But this is for 1 hour. Let's go to 15 minutes. See, we have a breakout structure. We have this support level here. Fibonacci is broken. It's not valid anymore. But I'm going to use my Fibonacci right here for the short side. Okay. So I probably set my alarm somewhere around here. That would have been a good trade, guys. That would have been a good trade. No, here I mean. No, sorry. My bad. Yeah. Okay, so this is our resistance level. So let me change the color so you don't get confused. Now I'm just waiting for a correction, guys. Like very simple. I'm just waiting for correction. I'll probably take it all the way to here. Because look at this. Market is never going to leave all these gaps. Probably for now, we don't know. But because of this strong bearish engulfing candle, like because of this drop, I'm assuming that it's going to go crazy right now. But we also have here, I don't know why I drew this order block here. There's no high probability order block. Yeah, there is one here. This is a high probability order block, if you want to think about it. This is a high probability order block, but it's too far. The price is kind of close to reach that level, but it didn't tap into it, and it just bounced like. Okay, high probability order block in 5 minutes. So what I can do is that I can put my alarm right here in 5 minutes. I'm gonna remove this because I have to wait for correction anyways. But Fibonacci shows up to here, but our high probability order block is right here. Well, we're gonna wait for that. We gotta wait. But yeah, guys, that was a good one. But anyways, doesn't matter. GBPUSD. Yeah, look at this drop after this huge bullish trend. Let's go to 1 hour. Yeah, it's definitely bullish pattern, guys. I took a trade yesterday. I think it was right here. I don't know. It was a really good one. You can watch my live trading session. High probability order block here, 1 hour. Oh, what was that? GBPUSD? EURUSD. Oh shit, what was that? Oh yeah, it actually tapped into, well, I should put it here to be honest. Yep. So I don't know, even if it taps into this zone, guys, I'm not gonna buy it because I'm gonna be part of liquidity. I'm not going to trade support and resistance levels. You know that, guys. There's no point doing it. There's a high chance that you get stopped out. So that's why I'm just waiting for a correction to this level, and then I probably take my sell position. So I'm going to remove this. I'm going to like leave this here, then go back to GBPUSD. Okay, so GBPUSD, if you think about it, you see that where is that? We have this Fibonacci level here, from here all the way to the up, or it could be even from here all the way to here. So even if this one is dropping like crazy, so you gotta be careful. You gotta be careful with every single one of them. We have support level here, very strong one. No high probability order block, not that I'm aware of. There's nothing here. And if you want to take a sell position, you gotta see what happens here. Okay, we're in here. Okay, so yeah, I think this is a good one because our trend is definitely uptrend. Okay, so our first confirmation. The second confirmation is this pullback, and the third one might be because of this Fibonacci. And we don't have any high probability order block around here. Like, it's super far. Not at least not in 30 minutes. I can't see anything. See, beautiful trend, correction, continuation. But where is this continuation? Could be from exactly from here in 30 minutes, because it's very clean pullback, 50% rejection. Well, let's see how it exactly works above this level. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna focus on GBP, EU, and NAS100 for today. I'm not gonna take a look at gold. Yeah, EURUSD is going crazy, as you can see. What is this? Okay, the same thing. I think I gotta start it from here. Our 50% is right here. It's a very simple concept, guys. You know, bullish engulfing candle, like bullish trend, correction, continuation. But where should you take your long position or short position? That's the thing. Okay. NAS100. Okay, NAS100. Yeah, as I said, it probably goes up to here to kind of deceive all the buyers, and then it comes down to grab all this liquidity here. There's so much liquidity here. Look at these rejections. 1, 2, 3, 4 rejections. So it's a very strong support. So it means there's so much liquidity here. So you don't want to be part of it. You don't want to be part of it. You just want to wait for the price. Look at this beautiful candle that shows, oh yeah, it hits the support, and now it's going up. Not really, it didn't even hit the support, but it's just for the buyers. because buyers think that if they take your position here, they probably can, you know, take their TP somewhere around here, but they don't know that we have a high probability order block exactly right here, and if it taps into it and it gives me momentum, then I'm going to take it all the way down to here to grab all the liquidity, because I'm damn sure that it's going to happen. Let's see, like, yeah, 1 to almost 4 risk reward ratio. It depends on the momentum and my stop loss, but 1 to 2 to 1 to 4 risk reward ratio for this trade. If it works out well, we'll see, but I'm going to focus on this one for now, and probably GBPUSD. Okay, GBPUSD didn't work out on this level. Probably this is our golden zone, so between 50% to 60%, there's a high chance that it gives us a reversal pattern, and then we probably can enter our trade, or we just wait for this support level to work out to see how it works out, and then we can take our trade. Because this is crazy, it's just dropping, you know, broke the swing low, and now it's going crazy. We have this breakout structure here. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna wait for that, and then I keep you posted whenever I want to take a trade. I you know, start recording again or not. I'm gonna tell you guys, you know, there's no setup that I could find, and then I'm not gonna take any trade. But stay tuned. I'm gonna show you everything in this video, so don't go anywhere, and then I'll be back soon. Okay guys, as you can see, I took a long position exactly right here. I'm in a position right now. If you remember, I had this support level here, and now it grabbed all the liquidity, tapped into this high probability order block, and now it's trying to go up to fill in this gap right here. So I'm not gonna go beyond that, but I wish I took 2 trades, one of them up to here, the other one a runner, because also here we have so many gaps. So I wanted to take 2 trades to see how it works out, but so far so good. It broke into this. I wanted to take my trade, my sell position here all the way to here, but I said, okay, you know what, I just wait for it. I just wait for it, and then I took my buy position right here, exactly right here. So it kind of closed above this previous candle, so it gave me more confidence that it's going to go to this level and fill in the gaps. But let's see what happens. I keep you posted. And also GBPUSD, I'm in a position, a 50-minute time frame. I took my position based on 50-minute time frame because of this Fibonacci. We had a clear, you know, uptrend and then correction. This what do you call it? This Fibonacci level, and then after that I took my long position here. Now, as you can see, it's closing above the previous candle. Even this one gives me more confidence that it's going to go towards the upside. So even this one is a one position. I didn't take 2. So you know, that'd be great if you take 1 to here, 1 to 1, and then the other one runner all the way to here. But you know, I'm just gonna take 1 trade. It doesn't matter if it goes up to here. I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even, and then we'll see what happens. So far I'm in GBPUSD and NAS100. EURUSD just gave me a buzz, but I'm not gonna pay attention to that. I'm in 2 positions right now. That's big enough, so I'm gonna stop and see what happens. But I definitely keep you posted, guys, definitely. Yeah, that's a good one. Let's see, guys. Unfortunately, I got stopped out you know, from NAS100, and the reason was very stupid, because it's 7:30, like it's 9:30 a.m. The New York Stock Market Exchange just opened, and I literally took my trade 5 minutes before that. I didn't pay attention to the clock, guys. It's 9:30. I shouldn't have traded, and that's what happened. It stopped me out right here. My TP was here, but yeah, I didn't pay attention to this. Be careful, guys. Whenever you're trading, you should either you know get out of your trade 5 minutes before the market opens, or just take your trade 5-10 minutes after that. Never do it during the opening, and same thing will happen to you as well. So you know, be careful, guys. This is for a day. To be honest with you, I took my trade here, and then my stop loss was here, but I actually extended my stop loss all the way to here. So that was a bad mistake. Otherwise I would have just lost right here. So I just extended it. It affected my psychology, and then I said, okay, you know, that's a bad time. I should get out of my trade, so whatever happens, and just wait for the next thing to see Look at this huge candle. Look at this huge candle here, guys. Wow. Yeah, you gotta be super careful with this trade, and this was the mistake that I made today. Yeah, that's it. So I'm just gonna wait to see how the price is gonna react after that. But if you have any question, guys, drop your comment here. Thanks for watching this live trading session. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so next time when I upload a video you get notified. Thank you so much, and see you next time.